Get out of here.
I'm really good. Those lasers were delicious. And did you see how good I was?
Come on. We should probably get out of here.
You're the boss, boss.
Run, run, run.
Pinky toe.
Hey, Dickface, come here. Oi, stop messing around under those rocks.
I'm not messing around. I was being the decoy, remember? I hate being a decoy. I'm sleepy. I'm gonna go to sleep now.
Monsters. Why you trying to bite my style?
Why you trying to bite my style? It's my style.
No one likes you. Nobody likes you anyways. Why'd you do that? Nobody likes you.
Champion of the world, thank you.
Lasers. What's next? Ori!
Huh? Oh, I'm in trouble now.
Alright.
Oh, no.
Hate.
Ori!
Two.
Dude, I'll rescue! Oh, I'm flying hella fast.
Wait!
I'm sorry.
Yeah, whatever, it's cool. Don't worry about it. It's cool. Yeah, whatever. Let's just get the giant robot and go. Come on, let's get out of here. Hurry up. Hurry up.
I'm really sorry. Just forgive
Hurry
me,
up.
alright?
Look out! Whoa. Yeah, whoa. What are you doing here?
Ice cream.
You came here for ice cream?
Not me. That boy.
Hey, did that boy have the letter M on his forehead? Where is he now? Where did you find him? Where is he?
He's in Electric Town.
You don't belong here, so go. Run! Take him and get away from here! Get as far away as you can, as fast as